A pre-owned 2012 Ram 3500 Laramie. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ram has less than 346,000 kilometers on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.